be John Price, Rising Sun, Maryland. This is Street Gas. So Street Gas, these should be kind of street legal-ish trucks. Inspectable, street tires, can't have a lot of suspension work done.
So we got a distance for Jeremy Crick of 283.64 feet, 283.64. That's good for second place, just right behind first place so far. Tim Myers at 314.88. So close.
All right, that brings us to April Holbrook on the 3-0 side on the Street Gas. Colby O'Rourke. Oh, something might have broken.
Hey, let me get in another sponsor here. We want to say thank you to East Coast Diesel. East Coast Diesel specializes in diesel pickup truck performance parts, both stock and custom. They are your one-stop diesel pickup truck performance store. With their experience, they can help you.
Okay, second attempt here. That'll do it. Not always as easy as it looks. So how about we have a round of applause here for Colby? East Coast.
Let's give April a big hand there, folks. Had a little trouble there, but a distance of 198.52 is the official distance for April. 198.52.
Here we go, it's Holland O'Rourke. Get it started. While we're waiting, up next on the 3-0 side, Kyle Stickerman from Kinsley, 93 Dodge, calls it Old J.
Trucks ready to keep your business moving. Check them out at FergusonTrucksGunners.com.
Up next, we're going to have John Price, our test puller. He dropped 3 to come back. So he'll be up next. Tim Myers currently in second. Chuck Dutter currently in third. Here we go, John Price, Rising Sun, Maryland, 04 Chevrolet. Distance for our sponsor, Carlingwood Construction and Carter Turbo Service. Both these are East Coast point classes this evening. Okay, good running LS truck. You guys know, if you're familiar with gas motors, the LS platform, ton of potential, lots of parts out there. Good running LS here. WD Ferguson.
Lenita Repair, LLC, offers truck and trailer service and repair as well as Pennsylvania State inspections. They're located on Lancaster Avenue in Myerstown. Hassler Diesel, specializing in service and repair of Ford, Power Stroke, Dodge Cummins, and Chevy Duramax engines. They're located on Airport Road in Bethel.
Here we go, Bob Marki, Strasburg. Have a trash business up there. They're excavators, hard-working crew. Kids work on the equipment along with Dad, Grandpa. Good pulling family. All right, Justin broke a drive shaft or something on the back end. For all your agriculture, light construction, excavation, and homeowner needs throughout the Mid-Atlantic, see Uber Incorporated. Threw this one together so you can come have some fun.
Okay, we got a distance for Norman Newswanger of 331.
On this very truck. Probably didn't run like this, man. I'm not sure. Chris has been truck pulling a long time, took a little break for a little while, and now he's back, and we're glad to have him with us.
We got a distance for Tommy Hassler of 277.30 feet, 277.30.
Cory Brown from Lebanon, 8084.
We got a distance for James Carter of 3.
Got about 15 in there. 2 to go in East Coast 4x4, and then we have the Hot Barn smoker tractors. About 10 of them for you folks.